Another day, another dollar. Guys, I'm here. I have bad seat. The AC decided, you know what, here I'm not working. So I'm gonna go down right now. It's early in the morning. I'm gonna tell them that. Like, if you don't fix the problem, I'm gonna fuck you up. Give me my money back, G. Alright, I'm gonna go have breakfast and then I don't know where I'm going for the day. Maybe Ferrari land or some shit. We'll see. Maybe the Camp Nou, maybe Castle Bastlo. We'll figure it out. We are here coming to visit the Camp Nou. Hussein's excited.
I mean, I hate Barcelona, but
yeah. I feel you. Like visiting a football pitch, innit? Okay, guys, we are here visiting the Camp Nou, Barcelona. Oh, that's the keeper, Robo keeper. Oh, watch me clap him later on. Watch me clap him. But yeah, this is the Camp Nou, Barcelona. Let's check it out. I'll keep you guys posted. Let's see what we gonna do. Probably.
Did you buy it?
I don't know.
Barcelona shirt already?
No, I'm not buying a Barca shirt. I bought a Real Madrid one. But anyways, what's his name? I'm trying to think of a Barca player. It's not coming in my mind at all. I forgot all the players this time. No, yes. My bad, actually. Did you just call him biscuits? You just called him biscuits. Okay, guys, so the virtual tour is actually cool. What? No, I'm good. But yeah, anyways, the virtual tour is you get a phone, or not virtual tour, a tour, and headphones, and then you just enter the numbers on your phone to listen to what. Yeah, and this is where you enter. Yeah, this is like a mini museum with like all the cups and everything. Looks legit. Yeah. Real Madrid fan forever, but not missing the opportunity to come for a touristic. What's it called? Oh, remember him?
No.
From 1912, man, you know him.
Oh yeah.
Look at these grandpa balls, grandpa shoes. You wanna play with my ball? Their balls? Hussein? What do you mean, why not? Sus boy. Yes, huge AF. Holy. I didn't know the cups were this big. They're Hussein's size. They're half Hussein's size. These are made out of actual gold. They're valued for 500 million. Do you know that? And you'll be a millionaire. Sam, you think you can run start to finish? What do you mean? It's so easy. A full match, 90 minutes of running back and forth. No, 90 match you do. Yeah, 90-minute match. Like you don't rest and stand. There's no time to stand.
No, but there's 11 people on the field. You're not constantly running.
You are. Wallah, you are. So now we are going to the VIP zone because, you know, money talks, baby. Money talks. Let's see. Let's go down. We're going to the pitch, guys. We're going to the bitch. Are you going to the bitch?
Nah.
It's a nice joke. Why are you built like a Minecraft door? How was that incredible performance after winning the finals?
Of course, easy. I respected it.
And do you think you will win the next championship finals?
Of course.
Next year?
Of course.
Alright, and that was an incredible performance by you. You scored a hat-trick, and obviously, how do you feel after that?
I feel incredible.
And you're runner-up for the Golden Boot. Guys, this is post-match. After I finish a match, scored a few goals, I come here, I relax, the locker room a bit, and this is the board. I explained to the team like the plan and what we're gonna do. This is the walk into the pitch. Oh, this is the church if you want to pray before the match. I didn't know that was the thing. Hussein's so happy right now. Even though he's not a Barca fan, but he's like, you know what? I'm at the football pitch. So I'm one full sprint and I'm cancelled for the day. One full sprint and I'm cancelled for the day, but we're so close to the pitch.
Imagine just sitting here 1 hour and a half.
In the heat?
Watching the game.
This is like a press box where all the commentators, I think, or what, are here. If I'm not mistaken. That's if they want to get food. But yeah, this is like the highest point of the pitch and so beautiful. Damn. Look at these screens, they're so cool. Here, شو بدك أي واحدة هاي؟
I have to click hard.
That's hockey. No ice hockey, normal hockey. This is pretty cool. But it's not turned on. That's cool. What's it called? Homograph? I don't know what they're called. Sculpture.
Holograph.
No, not holograph. That's even stupider than what I said.
You said a homograph.
Yeah, it's not holograph.
Word.
L man. Walk away. Yes, walk of shame. Hussein is gonna take a shot. Yalla. Does he score it in? First try. Yalla. Show us them skills. And he misses. The ball's not good. I think that's deflated. Come chance.
Nobody can score.
It's not.
I just shoot it really hard. You have to wait for him.
That was close. I think.
Wait like presses himself.
Sam is so done with life. It's so hot down here. I don't feel it though. The trains are about to arrive in a minute. In 2 minutes and 15 seconds, the planes are about to arrive. Okay guys, we came to Liril and we're having food and burgers and stuff. That looks really good. Oh, the cheese. Oh, guacamole. Beef. Yalla Osama, give us a review.